Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make these amazing cupcakes. Here are the equipment you'll need. First of all, add your milk into your chocolate and then put it in the microwave for 40 seconds until it has completely melted. Next, sieve your baking powder and flour into your smaller bowl and leave it aside. Now in your bigger bowl, add your sugar into your butter and mix it with your hand mixer. After about 2 minutes, your mixture should look like this. Next, beat your egg and add it into your mixture in about 3 parts. Separating it into about 3 parts, add your dry ingredients and your melted chocolate into your mixture. Then slowly mix it in with your spatula in a cutting motion. Once you have done that, add your mixture equally into your moulds. Now pop that in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And that's it. I think this cupcake recipe is really easy, but it's so yummy. You can decorate it however you want.